Hi, I'm Dave Lang from butchermagazine.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to bone and roll a chicken. Start by taking off the tail, run the knife down the backbone, remove the wingtips, use the tip of the knife, cut close to the bone. You don't need to go very deep because there's very little meat on the back of the chicken at this stage. Just cut along the backbone with the tip of the knife. Find the joint of the leg, cut through. Then when you come across the shoulder blade, it's a little long thin bone. Take that out. Through the leg joint, follow down with the tip of the knife, start on the other side, again tight to the bone, tip of the knife only, come to the joint of the leg, open it up, and then your shoulder blade again, long thin, take it out. Open the leg joint, cut through. Now, at this point, you are cutting into the breast. So, run the knife along the ribs, just the tip of the knife. Don't go too deep. Follow the shape of the bone. You don't have to do this quickly, there's plenty of time. It doesn't take very long to do anyway. Just keep following the bone. Just take care at this stage not to cut through the skin because you want the skin to be intact for when you're stuffing and rolling the chicken. Pull away the breastbone, and then you see the piece in the middle, which is the soft end of the breastbone. Just cut in tight to that bone. Clear it a little bit, and then pull it away from the carcass. Cut along the leg bone, tip of the knife again, just follow the shape of the bone, make sure you get the grizzle, there's a bit of grizzle in the middle of that joint, just make sure you get that out. You can see the piece of grizzle, it's a white piece at the end there under my hand. Put around, make sure you get all that out. Pull. Do the same with the wings. Use the tip of the knife. The idea is to take the bone out and leave as much meat behind as possible. Do the same on the other side. Cut through the leg joint. Follow the bone with the tip of the knife. Make sure you get that grizzle piece which is on the end there. And the last bone is the leg bone. You can see the white grizzle. Make sure you cut around it, make sure you get that out. Keep the bones for stock. Remove the Now, reshape the chicken. You can put your stuffing in here, fold all the ends underneath, bring them to, fold the skin under, keep it tight. Use 2 or 3 skewers to hold it together while you tie it. Best if you can skewer them diagonally. Tie across the body. Not too tight on the first pull. It will tighten up as you put the other twines on. Tie a couple more twines on diagonally. As you can see, as you pull that one tight, the other strings tighten. Pull out your skewers. Tidy up the strings. Tighten up the loose ends. And that's your bound and rolled chicken. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, click subscribe on YouTube, where there are another dozen or so videos. Hope you will enjoy. Thank you.